Hi guys, welcome to Electrical Briefs. So today we are going to look at how to change or make a variable the subject of an equation. Good. So our problem is make Q the subject of the relation, and the relation is 2p, which is equal to c multiplied by root of Q squared plus 1 on r. Good. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure you divide both sides by c, or you will divide through by c. So dividing through by c like this, you can see that c will cancel out c on our right hand side. So now our relation becomes 2p on c, which is equal to root of Q squared plus 1 on R. Good. So with this, we need Q. We want to make Q the subject in this relation. So our main focus is on Q. So now we need to make Q or bring Q outside the square root. So what we need to do is we square both sides of this relation, okay? So squaring both sides of this relation, we're going to get 2p on c all squared, which is equal to root of q squared plus 1 on r all squared. Good. And we know that 2p over c all squared, this will give us 2p squared is the same as 4p squared. You see, so square c squared, we are getting c squared like this, which is equal to, now you can see that the exponent of the whole thing here is squared. So this square root cancel out the square here, leaving q squared plus 1 out of r. Good. As I said, our main objective is to make q the subject. So for this, we can send 1 on r to our left hand side. So the equation becomes 4p squared on c squared minus 1 on r. You know that 1 on r on our right hand side, it was positive. So bringing it to the left hand side becomes what? Negative. So which is equal to q squared. Now, we can't leave it like this, even though we are having q squared is equal to this thing here, but we are not looking for q squared, okay? We are looking for q. So what we need to do is to take square root of both sides again. So we are going to get 4p squared on c squared minus 1 on r all squared, see, which is equal to q, and we take the square root of q2. So we are getting this. Good. And we know that the square root is going to cancel the exponent 2. So we are going to get root of 4p squared on c squared minus 1 on r is equal to, so this one will take care of this, q. So we can say that our q, so therefore q is equal to root of 4p squared on c squared minus 1 on r. So this is our final answer. Good. Please make sure you try this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we all learn together and come out successful. So your trial question is make y the subject of h is equal to x on y minus a or exponent 1 over 2. Good. So this is your trial. Make sure you try it. Leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.